In this video we are going to see how transmission impairment affect the communication medium. There are three types of transmission impairment: attenuation, distortion, and noise. First of all, we talk about attenuation. Attenuation is a general term that refers to any reduction in the strength of a signal. Now we see example of attenuation. In point 1, signal is passed through transmission medium. In next point, how signal attenuated to overcome resistance of the medium, and in point 3, how signal is recovered with the help of amplifier. To summarize the effect of attenuation: loss of energy. When signal travels through a medium, it lost some of its energy in overcoming the resistance of the medium, that is wire carrying electric signals gets warms. Some of the electrical energy in the signal is converted to heat. To recover for this loss, amplifier are used to amplify the signal. To calculate attenuation, ratio of output power to the input power in decibel. Now we see second type of transmission impairment: distortion. Distortion is a term used to describe an interruption of transmitting signals that cause an unclear at receiver side. It change the shape of out signal with respect to the input signal. Now see example. In this example, a signal is made up of with three different phases of signal travel through transmission medium. In transmission medium, propagation of wave is varies with frequency, due to that at receiver side signal reached at different phase. In next example, how distortion. See when ideal pulse wave, sine wave. Distorted. To summarize the effect of distortion: the signal changes its shape. Each signal component in a composite signal has its own propagation speed. Delay distortion occurs because the velocity of propagation of a signal through a guided medium varies with frequency. Delay may cause a difference in phase, thus various frequency components of a signal will arrive at receiver at different times, resulting in phase shift between the different frequency. To remove distortion, use raised cosine filter. Now we see third type of transmission impairment: noise. Noise is unwanted electrical or electromagnetic energy which creates an extra signal not originally sent by the transmitter. There are four types of noise: thermal noise, induced noise, crosstalk, and impulse noise. Now see example. In this example, sinusoidal wave signal is travel through transmission medium. Due to this, additional signal added in the form of noise which is received at receiver side, as compared to distortion. Noise affected less to the signal. To summarize, thermal noise is the random motion of electrons in a wire which create noise. Induced noise comes from sources such as motors and appliances. Impulse noise is a spike that comes from power lines, lighting. Median filter is used to reduce impulse noise. Signal to noise ratio gives the information about the power of the signal as it compares to signal power to noise power. It calculate by the ratio of power of signal to the power of noise.